The unthinkable has happened. Strategy just passed BlackRock in total Bitcoin holdings. For the first time in history, a corporate treasury holds more Bitcoin than the world's largest asset manager. BlackRock built IBIT with investor inflows. Saylor built STRC with conviction. The scoreboard just flipped. Here's today's big story. They said it couldn't be done. BlackRock manages more assets than any firm on earth, and IBIT was the most successful ETF launch in history. And for a long time, the gap between corporate treasuries and major ETFs looked unclosable. Then, Saylor kept buying. Strategy just crossed BlackRock's total holdings, not through an ETF, not through investor inflows, through a direct, relentless conviction-driven accumulation strategy. Every week, the buys kept coming, regardless of price, regardless of sentiment. This is what makes it historic. BlackRock holds Bitcoin on behalf of other people. Strategy holds Bitcoin on behalf of itself. There is no redemption mechanism. There is no exit. Saylor doesn't sell when sentiment shifts. This is a fundamentally different relationship, and today, that difference produced a different result. Of course, the big story was how it was all made possible. STRC, the preferred stock issued by Strategy back in 2025, collects capital and buys Bitcoin every week, paying dividends to investors. The machine doesn't need bull market sentiment to run. It just needs investors looking for 11% dividends. This has allowed Strategy to add roughly 10 times more Bitcoin this year than BlackRock did in the same period. The gap that looked unclosable months ago just hit zero. Of course, the historical frame here over to Arkham. Saylor, now one of the largest corporate entities, or just entities, holding Bitcoin. You look at the leaderboard: Satoshi Nakamoto, Coinbase, BlackRock. Strategy, of course, now above that. So really only a few more players to go. Strategy could soon be owning more Bitcoin than Coinbase, and soon, by the end of the year, projected to hold more than Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto. As for BlackRock, it looks like things will only get more difficult. The firm entering a fee war with Morgan Stanley, which launched a Bitcoin ETF last week. Then the news Goldman Sachs was preparing a premium Bitcoin ETF. So we'll be following the race here on the Bitcoin Historian channel. Before you go, make sure you upgrade to the latest and greatest in Bitcoin security technology. I'm talking about the Trezor Safe 7. Friendly UX, great experience, perfect whether you're stacking sats for the first time or gifting to friends and family. You can find out more at trezor.io. Thanks for supporting the show.